In geography, latitude is a coordinate that specifies the north-south position of a point on the surface of the Earth or another celestial body. Latitude is given as an angle that ranges from 90 degrees at the South Pole to 90 degrees at the North Pole, with 0 degrees at the equator. Lines of constant latitude, or parallels, run east-west as circles parallel to the equator. Latitude and longitude are used together as a coordinate pair to specify a location on the surface of the Earth. On its own, the term latitude normally refers to the geodetic latitude as defined below. Briefly, the geodetic latitude of a point is the angle formed between the vector perpendicular, or normal, to the ellipsoidal surface from the point and the plane of the equator. Longitude is a geographic coordinate that specifies the east-west position of a point on the surface of the Earth or another celestial body. It is an angular measurement, usually expressed in degrees and denoted by the Greek letter lambda. Meridians are imaginary semicircular lines running from pole to pole that connect points with the same longitude. The prime meridian defines 0 degrees longitude. By convention, the international reference meridian for the Earth passes near the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, southeast London on the island of Great Britain. Positive longitudes are east of the prime meridian, and negative ones are west. Because of the Earth's rotation, there is a close connection between longitude and time measurement. Scientifically precise local time varies. With longitude, a difference of 15 degrees longitude corresponds to a 1-hour difference in local time, due to the differing position in relation to the Sunday. Comparing local time to an absolute measure of time allows longitude to be determined. Depending on the era, the absolute time might be obtained from a celestial event visible from both locations, such as a lunar eclipse, or from a time signal transmitted by telegraph or radio. The principle is straightforward, but in practice finding a reliable method of determining longitude took centuries and required the effort of some of the greatest scientific minds. Standard time is the synchronization of clocks within a geographical region to a single time standard, rather than a local mean time standard. Generally, standard time agrees with the local mean time at some meridian that passes through the region, often near the center of the region. Historically, standard time was established during the 19th century to aid weather forecasting and train travel. Applied globally in the 20th century, the geographical regions became time zones. The standard time in each time zone has come to be defined as an offset from universal time. A further offset is applied for part of the year in regions with daylight saving time.